Welcome viewers, in this video you will understand how to use helping verb and be forms. Helping verb and be forms is, are, am. इन्हें कैसे यूज किया जाता है sentences में? What are the basic rules? How to use is, are, am. So always remember in perspective of first person we use am, I am. Always I am. हमेशा I के साथ मैं I am यूज करते हैं. I am कहा जाता है. थर्ड पर्सन पर्सपेक्टिव में she, he, it, singular. चाहे वो noun हो या pronoun हो, whether they are noun or pronoun, we always use is. Singular, single, one thing or one person. She is, he is, it is. Second person perspective, you are. Always, हमेशा, you are. First person plural, we are. Third person plural, they are. Girls are, boys are. Whatever is plural, जब भी plural हो तो हम are का यूज करते हैं. So, I am, she is, he is, it is, you are, we are, they are, girls are. Now come to the exercise. अब हम एक exercise को solve करेंगे कुछ points को. So first is my teacher dash always on time. Here you see the subject and the subject is singular, one teacher. As I told you, with singular we use is. So the answer is my teacher is always on time. One teacher, singular. They, this is plural. So the answer is they are from India. They are from India. They plural है और plural के साथ हमेशा are का use होता है. The house, again house is singular. The house dash very big. So the answer is the house is very big. Is. The children dash playing. Again you see children plural. So the answer is the children are playing. The dog. Dog is singular here and I told you with singular we use is. So the dog is running. Next is time dash precious. Now time, as we know, time is uncountable noun that cannot be count. And with always remember uncountable noun we use is. Time is precious. Time एक uncountable noun है जिसको आप count नहीं कर सकते. इसको हमेशा uncountable कहा जाता है, इसीलिए हम उसके साथ is का यूज करेंगे. Now here John. John proper noun name and the pronoun is he. Singular. So John is intelligent. We. We is plural. So we are friends. I. In perspective of first person we use am. I am a student. It. For non-living thing, किसी भी एक चीज के लिए it use होता है singular. So the answer is it is a toy. Now here Maria. Maria proper noun name and pronoun is she. So the answer is Maria is a painter. I hope you liked the video and you must have understood. Thank you for watching.